Welcome to the installation guide for Intellitire Yard Monitoring. This system offers remote monitoring of tire condition, allowing commercial fleets to view tire health on all vehicles every day before drivers leave the yard. Sensors attached to valve stems on tires send tire pressure and temperature data to a wireless receiver in the yard, which communicates via cell towers with the Intellitire system. The system generates a warning email or text when a tire is having an issue, so it can be addressed before costly downtime. Let's get started with the installation process. Please refer to the enclosed instructions and safety warnings, and be sure you have enough time with the vehicle to complete the job. The yard mount kit includes the sensors, router, and primary tools, including a valve cap remover, torque driver, 1/4-inch extension, 8mm deep well socket, and an O-ring replacement tool. First, we will install the sensors on a steer tire. We begin by capturing one of the two QR codes located on the top and bottom of the sensor. Notate which tire it represents in the Intellitire system. Remove the valve cap and place the sensor over the valve stem and use the torque driver handle to place the sensor onto the valve. As you turn the torque driver, it will start slipping when you reach the correct level of tightness. In some cases, it may be necessary to turn the sensor 45 to 90 degrees so it doesn't touch the rim. Now let's move to the drive tires. Once the cap is removed, the sensor is screwed onto the valve stem. Use an open end or box wrench to tighten it down. Installing the sensor on the inner dual is easy with a valve cap remover and the 1/4-inch extension. Similar to steer tires, it may be necessary to turn the sensor 45 to 90 degrees for all wheel positions. For vehicles that operate in rough environmental conditions, optional internal sensor hardware is available. With the tire off the rim and the QR code registered to the correct wheel position in the system, slide the sensor into the pocket of the Velcro strap. It's then lined up with the center of the rim and cinched down. Always position the sensor near the valve stem for easy reference. Next, we're going to install the wireless router in a common area where it can receive the signals from the sensors as vehicles move in and out of the yard. The router will send updates on tire condition and issues before they become problems on the road. When a tire has a problem, the system will send alerts to your maintenance computer, tablet, or smartphone. Installing the router is simple and easy. Locate an area where the vehicles will park, pass, or stop for at least 2 minutes. Some examples include a clean-out area, fuel station, or parking area. The router will easily mount to any wall or a bollard or any flat surface where it's unobstructed. All you'll need is access to a 110-volt outlet. The router can be mounted using 4 screws or bolts, depending on the mounting surface. Once the router's in place, all you have to do is plug it in and it'll start working immediately. When a vehicle is in range, you will start getting reports every 5 minutes. The router is not assigned to a specific vehicle, so it can read all vehicles equipped with sensors. This concludes the installation of the Intellitire Yard Mount Solution. You're going to be surprised at how much time, energy, and money you're going to save when you spot problems before they happen.